In this video, I'm going to show you how to import videos from YouTube to CapCut quickly and easily, using your own content. This is a super useful workflow if you want to repurpose videos, edit clips, or bring your YouTube uploads into CapCut for a new project. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Now let's get straight into it. First, if the video you want is one of your own uploads, open YouTube Studio in your browser and sign into the account that manages your channel. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the left-hand menu and click Content. This will take you to the list of all your uploaded videos. Find the video you want to bring into CapCut, then click the three dots next to that video. A menu will appear, and from there choose Download. YouTube will save the video to your computer, usually as an MP4 file in your Downloads folder. After the download is complete, you're ready for the next step. Now open CapCut on your desktop, whether you're using a PC or a Mac. Once CapCut loads, start by creating a new project. This gives you a fresh workspace where you can import your video and begin editing right away. Inside the project, look for the import button in the media section. Click it, then browse to the MP4 file you just downloaded from YouTube. If the file is in your downloads folder, select it and click open. CapCut will import the video into your media library, and from there you can drag it onto the timeline and start editing. If you want an even faster method, you can also drag and drop the downloaded file directly from your computer's downloads folder into the CapCut app. This is a great shortcut when you already have the file ready and just want to move quickly into editing. Once the video is imported, you can trim it, add captions, apply effects, insert music, or cut it into shorter clips for different platforms. Just remember, this process works best for your own videos or content you have the right to reuse. If the video belongs to someone else, make sure you have permission before downloading or importing it. So to recap, the process is simple. Download your own YouTube video from YouTube Studio, open CapCut, create a new project, import the MP4 file, or drag and drop it straight into the editor. That's all it takes to move a YouTube video into CapCut and get editing fast. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.